Capture stunning views and elevate your travel adventures with the best travel drones designed for portability and performance. These compact drones fit easily into backpacks and are perfect for on-the-go explorers. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best travel drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The DJI Flip is your perfect travel companion, blending cutting-edge features with a lightweight design for effortless portability. This 4K camera drone boasts full-coverage propeller guards crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, ensuring safe flights and worry-free operation. Weighing under 249 grams, it complies with US regulations, eliminating the need for FAA registration or remote ID, an ideal choice for on-the-go adventurers. The 1.13-inch CMOS sensor captures vibrant, detailed imagery, whether you're documenting landscapes or personal moments. Its subject tracking AI keeps your target in perfect focus, making it an indispensable tool for creating professional-looking videos during hikes, celebrations, or vacations. The drone's capability to record stunning 4K HDR videos at 60 frames per second ensures every shot is cinematic, with brilliant clarity even during golden hour flights. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, the DJI Flip offers uninterrupted exploration and creative opportunities. This extended battery life means fewer landings and more freedom to capture breathtaking scenes. Each package includes the DJI Flip. Each package includes the DJI Flip, DJI RCN3 remote controller, an intelligent flight battery, and other essentials, ensuring a complete setup right out of the box. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled camera quality, making it an exceptional choice for travel enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its Hasselblad main camera boasts a 4x3 CMOS sensor with a 24mm equivalent lens, f2.8 f11 aperture, and 20 megapixel resolution. The raw photo capability with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops ensures breathtakingly detailed images and videos. This drone complies with FAA remote ID regulations, making it easy to fly legally. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, it detects and avoids obstacles in real time using 8 vision sensors and advanced computing, offering a safe and stress-free flying experience. The Mavic 3 Pro excels in flight performance, offering a maximum flight time of 43 minutes, allowing for extended exploration without frequent battery changes. Its DJI O3 Plus transmission provides a stable signal for up to 15 kilometers, ensuring a reliable connection for long-distance shoots. The package includes the intuitive DJI RC controller with a bright 700 nit screen for seamless navigation. Whether capturing professional-grade content or enjoying hobbyist exploration, the Mavic 3 Pro stands as a top-tier choice for travel drones. The DJI Air3 redefines aerial photography with its dual camera system, offering creative focal length options for capturing breathtaking shots. Perfect for travel enthusiasts, its ability to showcase vivid landscapes and immersive stories elevates your journey's narrative. FAA remote ID compliance ensures you fly responsibly, adhering to drone registration and safety rules. Safety is paramount with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, giving you worry-free control even in dense environments like forests. The Air3 captures incredible 48-megapixel photos, delivering high-resolution imagery that's perfect for cropping without losing quality. Whether it's a fleeting moment or a planned shot, every frame exudes detail and brilliance. For video enthusiasts, the Air3 records stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, highlighting vibrant colors and lifelike details. The advanced 04 HD transmission system guarantees stable live feeds up to 12.4 miles, letting you explore and film with confidence. Enhanced by a 6-antenna array, it ensures smooth flights and reliable 1080p 60 FPS video streams. With its compact design, the DJI Air3 is ideal for travel, enabling easy transport without compromising performance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate travel drone, boasting a compact design under 249 grams, eliminating the need for registration in many regions. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for adventurers seeking hassle-free flying. The drone's 4K 60 frames per second HDR vertical video capability captures breathtaking scenes with sharp clarity, making your footage ready to share straight from the camera. Safety is a priority with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring confident navigation even for beginners. This feature minimizes the risk of collisions, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of flying. The drone also supports uninterrupted flights thanks to its extended battery life, ideal for exploring vast landscapes without frequent recharging. A game changer for long-distance visuals, the 20-kilometer FHD video transmission offers real-time aerial views without lag, immersing you in stunning scenery. For commercial use or extended flights, the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus activates remote ID compliance, meeting regulatory requirements effortlessly. Intelligent tracking features like Active Track 360 degrees let you customize your drone's flight path, ensuring smooth, dynamic shots. The DJI Air3S redefines travel drones with its advanced features tailored for capturing stunning visuals on the go. Its 1-inch CMOS primary camera excels in low-light settings, producing crisp, vibrant imagery, whether you're shooting sunsets or urban nightscapes. The capability to record 4K 60 frames per second HDR video with 14 stops of dynamic range ensures that every frame is infused with intricate detail, making it ideal for sunrise and sunset shoots. Panorama enthusiasts will appreciate the free panorama mode, allowing seamless wide-angle or medium telepanos with minimal distortion. Night flying becomes safer thanks to forward-facing LiDAR and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which helps the drone navigate even complex environments with ease. The Air3S features a next-generation smart return-to-home function, intelligently plotting optimal routes back to its home point, even in areas with weak GPS signals. Extended creativity is enabled by a remarkable 45-minute flight time and a 20-kilometer video transmission range, offering ample time to scout, shoot, and return. This comprehensive kit includes the Air3S, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, an ND filter set, and the DJI RC2 remote controller, complete with a bright, large screen for seamless operation. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.